Hi, it's Jade from the Ardell Pro Team, and today I'm excited to show you how to create a festival-inspired makeup look using products from Ardell's new beauty line. First, I'm going to fill in my brows, but before I do that, I'm going to brush up my brow hairs so I get a good view of where I really need to fill them in. Next, I'm going to be filling in my brows with Ardell's Stroke Brow Feathering Pen in medium brown. I like to start at the beginning of my brow and work my way out towards the tail. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes. No festival look is complete without a good primer. I like to apply a little dot on the center of my eyelid and blend it out with my finger or the applicator. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Shimmer. I'm going to apply this copper color all over my eyelids. For my crease, I'm going to use this burnt orange shade. For added dimension, I'm going to use this vanilla shade under my brow bones and the inner corners of my eyes. To look fresh-faced all day, I like to add a little highlight at the inner corner of my eyes. For a smoldering effect, I'm going to apply Wanna Get Lucky Gel Liner in Teddy. Now it's time to finish off this festive eye look with falsies and mascara. This mascara is one of my festival must-haves because the long-wearing waterproof formula keeps my lashes on point from the poolside to the after parties. No festival-inspired makeup look is complete without a long-wearing lip stain. I'm using the shade Date Me. Here's the final look. If you are loving any of the products I use, be sure to check out Ulta.com. From the festival to the after parties, here's a quick and easy way to amp up your look. If you'd like to see more makeup tutorials like this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.